Good evening, everyone. It certainly was a warm day across central Illinois. Summer is still in full force across the region, even though fall begins coming up here September 23rd. Temperatures made it into the lower 90s across some of our southern communities, and we're still in the upper 80s, still holding on to 90 right now in Vigo County. It's currently 84 in Taylorville, 87 here in Charleston, along with Decatur and Champaign. When we factor in that humidity, it's feeling even warmer than that. Currently feeling like 98 degrees down in Robinson, feeling like 95 up in Champaign and Danville. And the reason we're feeling so much warmer is the amount of moisture that's in the atmosphere. And these are a look at our dew points, feeling pretty miserable across most of the region. Effingham has a little bit lower of a dew point, but still not the most comfortable at 64 degrees. Otherwise, we're in the 70s across the region with our dew point. So definitely oppressive humidity out there across the area. And as we take a look at satellite and radar, we did have a few showers pop up just to our west, right over the Sangamon County area around Springfield. Those have since dissipated, and I think that's going to be the trend as we go into the evening hours with all this heat in the atmosphere. Some of these storms can pop up, but then they quickly dissipate, especially once we'll lose the sunlight later this evening. But you do see more clouds out to our west. That activity is going to be streaming in as we go into the evening hours, and that's going to continue to infiltrate the area overnight. So looking at Futurecast, it did pick up on that scattered chance for some showers across our western counties. That dissipates, but then the cloud cover rolls in as we get into the overnight hours. That's going to continue, but once we get into Wednesday morning, we will see the cloud cover break down, so we will see more sunshine for your Wednesday. And then once again, get into the heat of the day, we could see some more showers, maybe a rumble of thunder pop up as we get into the afternoon hours on Wednesday, but not everyone's going to see that activity. Most of us staying dry, so I've kept it out of the forecast, but I do want to mention that. And then we see that sunshine continue, but it is going to be another hot day. Here's a look at your 4x4 forecast, all 16 of our counties, 4 at a time. We're going to see these temperatures climbing up into the lower 90s to upper 80s across our northern counties. Once again, around 90 here in Mattoon and Charleston, along with Marshall, 89 in Paris, and then some of our southern communities like Newton and Oblong could make it into the lower 90s tomorrow. It's going to feel even warmer. Once again, we'll have heat indexes climbing up around 99 degrees, so it's going to be very warm. We continue that warm trend as we get into the most of the week. 89 on Thursday, so another warm day, but then a cold front is going to slide through. That's going to drop our highs back to more seasonal averages by the time we get to the end of the week, going into the weekend. And that cold front's also going to be bringing us the chances for some showers and thunderstorms as we go into Thursday night. Most of the day is dry, though. Here's Futurecast Thursday afternoon. You'll see that cold front coming in from the west. That's going to spark a line of showers and storms along the Mississippi River Valley Thursday evening. But since that's going to be moving through overnight, it's going to lose some of its energy. So we're not looking at any big-time thunderstorms for this area. Some rumbles of thunder still possible Friday night or Friday morning, but then that cold front's going to advance through the region, spark off some more showers as we get into Friday afternoon. But again, the severe weather threat does look pretty low at this point. For the overnight hours tonight, down to 71 degrees, mostly cloudy and muggy. If we break down tomorrow, again, another hot day, temperatures topping out around 90 degrees. Again, that isolated shower going to be a potential as we get into the heat of the day. Most of us staying dry, though, and as we look at the next 7 days, again, that warm pattern continues into Thursday, but then we see temperatures cooling down as we go into the weekend. The weekend is looking fairly nice, 83 on Saturday, 85 on Sunday, and then another cold front's going to slide through. That'll cool us down as we get into the start of next week, back to more seasonal conditions. But in the meantime, try to stay cool out there. Parker, back to you.